Let's say it's your birthday or it's somebody else's birthday and you want to make a special breakfast. Now you could just make French toast normal with maple syrup, and that's fine because I think anyone appreciates a breakfast made for them that they didn't have to make. But this one is a little different. It's French toast, not with maple syrup, but with a homemade brown sugar syrup. Add some bananas and whipped cream and you got yourself a fancy breakfast. Add 2 cups of brown sugar that is firmly packed into a saucepan. And then add 3 tablespoons of real butter. Add 1 cup of water. Stir this together over a medium heat until the butter is melted and the sugar is dissolved. Add a dash of cinnamon, and I'm using this vanilla powder, but who owns vanilla powder? Practically no one, but I'm adding it. You can add regular vanilla extract if you'd like. Let this boil for about 1 minute, stirring occasionally, and then let it simmer for about 8 minutes until it's thick. And you can tell it's thick if it makes a coating on the spoon. I went ahead and checked the temperature and it was 228 degrees. You can serve this when it's warm or when it's cool. When it's cool, it'll thicken up a lot, so you can make it in advance. You can serve this over pancakes, waffles, or French toast. But I'm impatient to wait for it to cool, so I'm serving it when it's kind of warm. This is very sweet, but the bread from the French toast tames it down a little bit. Add some bananas, kind of make it decorative, so your birthday person will feel really special. Add some whipped cream, and if your French toast is a little bit charred on the sides, it actually reminds me of creme brulee. I think what I like most about this recipe is that my mom used to make something similar to this when I was young, because when we didn't have maple syrup, she made her own brown sugar syrup. And today's my mother's birthday, and she's turned 88 years old, and the day after is my birthday. So happy birthday, Mom. Thanks for watching.